Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Programmer, and in this video we will discuss about the latest job opportunity which is coming from the one of the biggest MNC, that is Accenture. And the job role that is offered right now is System and Application Service Associate 2020 and 2021. So first of all, let us see what is the job description. In this form we can see the job description is System and Application Service Associate 2020 and 2021. They're hiring for the graduates who have completed their graduation in 2020 and 2021. And about the Accenture, there is no need to read because it is one of the most prestigious multinational company which is present in our country right now. And it is having almost 6 lakh and 24,000 employees all over the world. And let us discuss about your job role. If you get hired in this job role, you will be mostly working in these four domains. First one is app and cloud engineering, and second one is project control services. Third one is low or no code app development, and last one is test automation engineering. So all of these job roles will be offered to you if you get hired by filling this recruitment. And eligibility criteria. The first eligibility criteria is all streams of M.C.M, M.Sc, M.A, M.Com, M.F.A, B.Sc, B.Ca, B.B.A, B.A, B.Com, B.B.A, B.Voc, BMS and other 2020 and 2021 graduates with full-time education only. Please note, only full-time education is eligible. Distance education is not considered. And the second important point is no active backlog. It means if you are having any pending subject for your graduation, you will not be eligible. So please try to complete your backlogs as soon as possible before applying for Accenture. And third important point is maximum 1 year gap is allowed between your 10th completion and your graduation completion. If you are having more than 1 year gap, then they will not accept your application. And the next important point is the candidate should not have appeared for Accenture in last 3 months. Like if you have appeared for Accenture in last 3 months, you can't apply for this application. And you should be willing to work in any location across India, but most probably you will get the preferred location. So now moving forward to our application form. This is our first thing. How did you find out this job? You can choose any option like social media. If you got to know about this job from social media, you can mention like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. If you are getting to know about this job from my video, then you can mention others. And then here you have to mention your first name. And in the first name, your first name should match exactly with your PAN card. Like if you are having PAN card name is Ram Kumar, your name should be exactly same here also. And one most important point, if you don't have any last name, please mention your father's or mother's name as specified in PAN card. So if you are not having any last name, please make sure that you are mentioning the name of your father or your mother as whichever is mentioned in your PAN card. Now this is university registration number. It basically it is the roll number of your university which you get in your graduation, and this is your email ID. Please make sure that you fill this field very you should fill only those email IDs which are working right now, because you will be getting all the communication from Accenture in this email ID. And this is your primary contact number. You should fill your own personal mobile number, and here you can give the WhatsApp consent. Like if you want to give the consent, they will be giving you communication on WhatsApp also. This is the new feature that Accenture has launched. Here you can mention your alternate contact number, and this is a date of birth. You should mention your date of birth as mentioned in your PAN card. Next is gender and residing city. And if you have, let us suppose you have done your bachelor's in science, you should mention here graduate, undergraduate. and after mentioning undergraduate, this form will show. And like I said, if you have done your bachelor of science, you should mention here bachelor of science. Then there are in this section there is a list of drop down, and you can select the colleges from here. If your college is not present here, you can choose others. You can write here others, and you can choose this option. And after choosing other, you can mention the name of your college. And now you have to mention the branch in which you have done your undergraduation. Like if I have done bachelor of science in physics, I can mention here physics. And you should mention your year of passing, if you have done in 2021 or 2020. And you should mention either percentage or CGPA. If your graduation university is following the percentage criteria, you can mention it percentage, and or you can mention here CGPA also. And this is also important point, total professional experience. If you are having over 11 month of experience, like if you have done job somewhere in a full-time job, then you can mention here. If you have not done any job, you can mention no experience. And these are the skill details. These are the non-mandatory fields. There is no star mention here. If you want to fill this, you can fill, otherwise you can leave it. And these are the certifications. If you have done any certificate, you can fill there. And language certification, there is no need to fill this if you don't know any other foreign language. Then this is the most important fields. Here you have to select the preferred job location. Like if I want to have my joining location as Mumbai, I should choose Mumbai on the first option. And please remember, once you choose here, you will never get a chance to edit after the application. So second job location I have chosen as Gurugram, and third one as Chennai. So this is my order, and Accenture will try its best to give you first preferred location. And other details, gap in education, if you are having you should choose appropriate option. If you are having more than 1 year gap, you are not eligible for this drive. And have you worked in Accenture before? If you, as you are fresher, you should choose here no. And standing backlog, if you are not having any standing backlog, choose no. And if you are applying for Accenture for the first time, you should choose here no. And please make sure that you should not apply more than one time in 3 months. And you should choose here your nationality Indian. And you have to upload your CV here. And here you can upload your passport size photo. And you have to upload your PAN card details here. You have to mention your PAN card number, and you can upload the PAN card file. So you have to give the consent, and after that you have to submit this form. And one more thing, if you are having any doubt while filling out this form, you can click this link, click here if you need any assistance on the registration form. And there is complete details for each and every field in the application. You can read here, and you can follow all these guidelines for the form. And one more thing, I would like to tell you about the compensation for this role. The compensation for this role is almost 3.33500, that is 3,30,500. And your fixed salary is 3 lakh, that is you will get around 25,000 per month. And your variable bonus is 25,500. And your gratuity plus insurance premium is 8,000. So this is the package details for SAS profile, that is system and application services associate profile. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.